All right, hello once again. Jeff Scott of Rankin Technical College. And for the AWD1112 Java Android programming class, I've been doing a series of video presentations as we here at Rankin attempt to combat in our own way the coronavirus outbreak. All right, so I have gone through how to build a website using Balsamiq Mockup. Let me back up a little. I showed you how to download Balsamiq Mockup 3. I provided a link for a free course on how to use Balsamiq Mockup. I went through how to build an entire website using Balsamiq Mockup. And now I'm creating a mobile application using Balsamiq Mockup. So far I have done our login screen, our account screen, our transaction screen, our mobile deposit screen, and I've just started on our camera screen. So I'm on page 12 of 14 in here. All right, and again, I've taken my own pros as far as mine will look somewhat like this, but not totally. All right, first thing I want to do is in here I've got the word camera. I want to get rid of that. And we're told to go in and put in a rectangle. So I'm going to put it there, and I'm going to stretch it out so it takes up most of the screen. Try to have it fairly symmetrical in here. That isn't bad. All right, so that's my start. Okay. The next thing that we are told to do with this, sorry, I'm attempting to find all of my notes. There we go. So the next thing that we want to do is we want to put in a couple more rectangles. You know, that sounds a little weird, and we don't want there to be borders on them. So I'm going to make another rectangle, and I'm going to put it about, whoops, I don't want it there. Just use Control Z to back myself up. There we go. Z. Let's do this. There. And again, I'm using what's in this article as my okay, we want there to be no border here. Okay. Again, I'm using what's in the article as kind of my basis here for what I'm doing. All right. So I want to create one more rectangle. And it looks like I want that one to basically be about here to here. And I want to drag that down about like that. And again, no border. Okay? All right. Then, after that, we want to come in and we want to put in an image tool. Right there. And I'm going to stretch this so that it takes up basically our entire area in here. Not worried right now, whoops. Not worried about putting in an image, and I'm not worried. All right, so we'll leave it about like that, and then we'll stretch this down. I'm going to leave it to about right there. All right. Now, I could have come in here. I think this is going to, yeah, that's, I should have come in at the beginning possibly and done this, but I'm going to add my own label. And that label is going to say, let's see, let's look on here and see what it says. Center check between guides. Center check between guides. All right, we'll put that about here, and let's blow it up. So let's make it about 24. Yeah, that's good. That looks pretty good. Alright, and the last thing that I want to do is I want to come in here, and first I want to put in another label, and I want that label to say cancel. Okay, we're going to blow up the size of that label to about 28. And next to that cancel, we're going to put in an icon without a label. Alright, we're going to come in here in our icon search. We're again going to search for camera, and we'll again use this one. This time let's make it, see what an extra large appears as. Okay, go over to here, and let's make this about a dark gray. Okay, and believe it or not, we are just about done here. Now there is no forward right here, but I can click on this and make it go backwards to mobile deposit. Alright, let's do a files and let's save our project. And we were told to save this as, I believe, mobile app.bmpr. So mobile app. Again, I am not providing this for you. I am asking you to try to do this and then turn it in. Yes, for a grade. How grading is going to actually be done here, a lot of that stuff, I'm sorry, is still up in the air. But let's run this. Alright, there we are. When we log in, we're on our accounts page. We can go to our transactions page. We can go to our mobile deposit page. We can go to our camera page. We can back up to our mobile deposit page. We can log out from here. 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 And we can log out from here. I think I already did this, but from the last page. Alright, let's just move all the way to the end. I think we can back up from here to go to our mobile deposit page. So it appears to be totally functioning. Alright? Again, I probably made this look more like a laptop than a phone. Sorry about that. I guess I took some poetic prose of my own. But that said, I think you hopefully now see how you can move around. Alright? Now, that finishes up this particular presentation. So what's next? Let's take a look. We have now gone through in here, and I have shown you how to download Balsamiq Mockup, how to register it, how to go out and look at a free course with 10 lessons, about an hour long, called Wireframing with Balsamiq Mockups, out on udemy.com. We went through this Balsamiq Mockup first project where we did a website, and now we just finished creating a mobile application with Balsamiq. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this Word file that's easy version control with Git in Android Studio. As we do this, it'll probably take longer. This last document that I did was 14 pages. The next one was 24 pages. And we'll see where we go from there. So I'll be back in just a couple minutes.